with your pretty little dreams. I can see you, I can see you, passing every day, waiting for a chance to say, I am here too, I am here too. You gotta have some fun living. Yeah, you'll never be as young as you are today, as you are today. So do a little dance and take a bigger chance. Do it your way, do it your way. Don't have to have it all together now, to have it all. You don't have to have it all together now, to have it all. So pick up all your pieces, put them in your pockets. You can take off like a lovely little rocket. You can fly, 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 all together now. All together now. Pretty little thing with your pretty little wings. I can see you, I can see you. So think I have the time. Yeah, we could get lost. I am here too, I am here too. Don't have to have it.
Thank you po dahil dinala niyo sa amin si Zuriel ngayon. Paglaki niya po, makinig siya at maging mabuting anak kanila Ate Jam, pati kay Kuya Rot.
Happy birthday, Juliet!
So happy birthday, Juliet! We wish you all the best!
Fly, 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 all together now.
Hi, Juliet! Happy birthday! May you grow in love, faith, and hope with Christ. Be good always to your mom and dad. We love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, baby Juliet! 1-year-old ka na, bilis, and the baby ka lang. Ayun, so always be a good boy at saka good son and good baby brother. We love you, God bless you.
Hi, baby Juliet! Happy birthday! Wish you good health.
Hi, Juriel. Happy first birthday. Best wishes, good health.
Happy birthday, Juriel. Sana lumaki ka na.
Happy birthday, Miss Juliet! Sana mag-grow ka ng God-fearing at saka maging good boy ka lagi. Kay Mami sa akin.
He always.
Yes, yun. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Hey guys, I want you to please bring it here in front. Any kind of credit cards, go!
All together now.
Birthday, Juliet! May you have many more birthdays to come. Be a good boy always. Love mo lagi si mami mo at si daddy mo at sa kuya mo. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Juriel. And God, have more birthdays to our God.
For a chance to say, I am here too, I am here too. You gotta have some fun living. Yeah, you'll never be as young as you are today, as you are today. So do a little dance and take a bigger chance. Do it your way, do it your way. Don't have to have it all together now, to have it all.
Happy birthday, baby Juliet! Ayun, sana lumaki kang mabait sa bata katulad ni Kuya Aaron mo. Lagi kang magiging sumasunod kay Mama Jam mo.
You can take off like a lovely little rocket. You can fly, 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 all together now.
2, 3, say happy birthday! Look at the camera, Chanel. Smile, smile, Chanel.
All together now.
Birthday ni Juliet. Nagdadalawang isip lang ako i-celebrate ko yung birthday niya or hindi. Dahil yung mga nangyari hindi mag-thank sa husband ko kahit nawala siya. Alam ko, gusto niya yung maging kasama namin sa ngayong araw na to. Gusto ko mag-thank sa family ko, sa mother ko, sa mga biyanan ko, sa hipag ko, sa Jen and Jane. Thank you sa mga kaibigan namin, sa best friend ko kay Karen. Salamat sa lahat. Yung sa mga lola ko, sa inyo pong lahat. Thank you.
All together now.